Hey gang, it's me, Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This video is primarily for Google My Business, and Google Messenger. So as you know, we have a Google My Business control panel, but we also have messages being piped in there that we have to answer from our business listing online with Google. My question is for you folks and Google, why isn't there a tool included for Google Translation to be able to assist customers that do not speak English? Google has this great tool. It's a Google Translator. Why are they just not hooked up? I don't get it. This would be beneficial. And I could have used it a half hour ago with a customer speaking Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. I had to tell them to call or text my cell phone so I could translate it using Google Translator. But if you can add that tool, or if somehow I'm just messing up here, I don't know, I might be ignorant, but from what I could see, there's no translation possibility in that messenger for Google My Business. So if anybody has an answer, or maybe I'm just thinking outside the box here, I think it would be a great idea to have Google Translator to be included in the messages for Google My Business. Let me know. This is Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express. You guys have a great week. Bye-bye.